ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to ABC Animal Fun Friends. I'm MC Funt.
And I'm Don't.
Here is a place to see a fun self-praise show of animals every day.
We're going to see cool animal friends from the ABC Animal Show with us.
Here we go. Shall we meet today's animal friend? Please give us ABC alphabet hint. The alphabet arrangement is set. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Guys, today's guest is coming up.
There's a fin.
A sharp fin, a terrible wound. I think it isn't a normal fish.
I think it's finally done.
Shark.
Show, ABC Animal Show. Fun friends. Little rascals, surprise show. Let's meet today's guest. My heart begins thump thump. Our best self-praise show.
ABC Animal Show Fun Friends.
I'm going to introduce today's guest having a sharp fin.
I'm a shark, the best hunter in the sea. Scary teeth and the sharp fin are my charming points. If I show up, everyone runs away. Why? There's no one to beat me in the sea. When I find something to eat, I follow it at a tremendous speed.
Oh, but Mr. Shark, how did you get the wound on your body?
You don't need to fight with friends. Fight? Who dares fight me? This wound was caused by swimming in the sea. Someone started dumping trash in the sea a while ago. I got scratched by the trash floating in the sea and got this scar. I'm so sick and tired of swimming every time I swim.
Did you say trash?
Yes, trash. The trash is a big mess in the sea. I'm a shark. I am not normally afraid of anything in the sea. Because of trash, I'm so stressed out. It was my stage in the sea. In the calm sea light. I enjoyed swimming and hunting peacefully and did swimming competitions with friends. I feel like it all happened just yesterday. I can't even dream about it anymore. I'm gonna find the guy who dumped the trash. The reason I'm on this show is to give the guy a final warning.
Who made the sea full of trash?
Does anybody know what he looks like? Wait. Guys! Hello, I am an octopus.
I am Clam.
We're the
Sea Special Investigation
Unit. What are they doing? We're the Underwater Investigation Unit. Well, the guy's making loud noise.
The guys can't swim down into the ocean.
You're right. They always throw away trash on the ocean.
What kind of trash are they throwing away?
There are a broken net, bottles of soda, and bags of snacks, and so on. One time, I saw a friend who couldn't get out of the net. I also saw another friend who was sick from swallowing up trash.
Yeah, that's right. Oh.
Don't cry. Stop it. This is serious.
Every time the guy shows up, he or she makes a lot of noise. You don't come down to the ocean, you throw away trash in the ocean? Ladies and gentlemen, do you have any idea who you're dealing with? What about that noise?
Oh yes, that's the same sound.
Excuse me, I heard somebody was looking for me.
Huh? Is that a boat?
Mr. Boat, did you really throw some garbage into the sea? Trash? Me? No, I just take people out to the sea to enjoy.
People? What people are doing on the sea?
Well, they're going fishing, eating, dancing, or holding a party.
Aha! So the net was...
Aha! So the bags and snacks and cans of soda were...
People threw away the trash? Hey, Boat! Where are the people? I'll scold them right now.
Huh? What's wrong? Wait, no, Shark! Listen to me first!
Ew!
Because of the trash people threw away, the sea we live is ruined.
Because of the trash people threw away, my sea friends get hurt. I'm sorry. I didn't know people throw garbage into the sea.
Why did he dump trash in the ocean?
If you keep doing this, the guys will end up with trash in the sea.
Oh no! The sea turtle into the dump? I'm sorry. I really didn't know. What should I do?
Then you stop people from throwing trash in the sea again.
Yes. I'll only take the people who promise not to dump trash.
And one more thing. Please help us clean up the trash in the sea.
Oh, yes.
Of course. I think the sea should be clean too. Every time to time I bring people out to the sea, I thought you guys were so beautiful living in the beautiful sea and ocean. So I wish all animals to get along with people in the clean and beautiful sea. I'll let people know the news quickly and help make the sea clean. Oh gosh, that's a relief. It won't happen again to be throwing trash away in the sea, right? Sharks and Friends Protect the Sea. ABC Animal Show with fun and good spirit.
Please look forward to meeting our next guest.
Okay then, bye.
Boat!